we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Hey, I'm looking at 2 espresso machines, the Breville Barista Pro and the De'Longhi Dinamica. What are your thoughts?
Oh yeah, those are both solid choices, but pretty different. The Breville is more of a semi-automatic, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's got the integrated grinder and all, but you still have to tamp and control the extraction. The De'Longhi, on the other hand, is super-automatic. It does everything for you.
Right, so the Breville Barista Pro has that thermojet heating system, which heats up in like 3 seconds. How's the De'Longhi on that front?
Well, the De'Longhi doesn't specify heat-up time, but being super-automatic is probably pretty quick too, though maybe not quite as instantaneous. One advantage that the De'Longhi has is that it has 18 drink options, and it has a latte crema system for alternative milks.
That latte crema system sounds pretty fancy. The Breville just has a manual steam wand. It's powerful and all, but you gotta know what you're doing to get good microfoam. But the Breville has a PID, which is great for optimal extraction.
True, but the De'Longhi has the My Menu personalization, so you can save your perfect drink recipe.
Good point. What about the grinder? The Breville has a precision conical burr grinder with adjustable grind control.
The De'Longhi also has a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 adjustable settings. I guess both are pretty good on that front.
Yeah, and the Breville is a bit smaller, dimensions-wise, but the De'Longhi is heavier, 23.2 pounds versus 19.5.
I see. One thing that's a little concerning is that the De'Longhi I'm looking at is renewed.
Ah, yeah, that means it's pre-owned and refurbished. Could be a good deal, but you're taking a bit more of a risk. The Breville is brand new.
That's what I was thinking. Plus, the Breville has almost 3,100 reviews with 4.4 stars. The De'Longhi only has 9 reviews with 4.3 stars.
Okay, yeah, that's a big difference in feedback. So if you want ultimate convenience and a ton of pre-programmed options, the De'Longhi might be tempting. But if you enjoy the process and want a bit more control, the Breville seems like the better bet, even if it's a bit more work.
I think I agree. Thanks for laying it all out for me. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.